The formation of the Hawaiian Islands. The Hawaiian Islands are located along a stretch of 2,400 kilometers in the North Pacific Ocean. They have a geologically unique history because, unlike the majority of islands, which are formed at tectonic plate boundaries or along subduction zones, they are situated in the middle of what is known as the Pacific Plate, one of the largest crustal plates on Earth. In Hawaiian mythology, Maui is considered a chief and a hero of the Hawaiian culture. It is said that Maui created the Hawaiian Islands by deceiving his brothers. He managed to convince his brothers to go fishing with him, only to catch his hook on the ocean floor. To tell his brothers that he had caught a big fish, and then to paddle as hard as they possibly can in order to bring the fish. His brothers paddled with all of their strength. What they didn't know was that there happened to be an island rising up from the ocean behind them. Maui repeats this scheme several times. This then resulted in the creation of the multiple Hawaiian Islands. Today we know how the Hawaiian Islands were truly formed. The Hawaiian island chain was formed due to a hotspot situated under the Pacific Plate. Hotspots are formed due to plumes of superhot magma in the mantle, which melt through the crust and form a volcano. Over a period of 1 million years, the tectonic plate that the hotspot is located under will slowly move. This is called continental drift. This causes the hotspot to make new volcanoes, leading to a chain of volcanoes being formed. The Hawaiian Islands undergo relatively quick changes in terms of geological time. Build-up and breakdown of lava over millions of years has resulted in mineral-rich soils and lush tropical flora. The dense growth of plants supports a diverse ecosystem that includes over 26,000 species, with over 10,000 of those species being endemic, meaning they are native to the island and cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. But before plant growth can occur in the newly deposited lava, it must undergo weathering. Rain weathering is the predominant mechanism in which lava breaks down into mineral-rich soil. This can take tens to hundreds of thousands of years, depending on rainfall levels. Hawaii's lava is primarily composed of basalt, which when exposed to rain, erodes into small mineral particles of feldspar that then react with water to form clay minerals, ready for new growth to occur. Hawaii is situated within the middle of the Pacific Plate over a hotspot. The Hawaiian Islands have been formed over many years by the continuous plume of magma rising from the Earth's core. These islands have a continuous circle of being formed, then slowly weathering away into atolls, islets, and seamounts as they drift away from the hotspot due to tectonic movement of the Pacific Plate as it moves northwest. This process is kicked off with the melting of the oceanic crust. As the crust melts, it gives way to magma, which rises and forms a submarine vent or volcano. This vent or volcano continuously erupts, spewing magma, which cools and solidifies within the ocean. This process continues until the solidified magma reaches sea level. Once above sea level, the volcano will continue to erupt, forming a new island. In conclusion, the origins of Hawaii has interested and enthralled many different people, which may be one of the reasons that it is the most popular tourist destination in the world.